Hi, I'm John from Extruflex. Today, we're focusing on Screenflex Welding Strips, a vital safety solution for industrial environments. Screenflex welding strips are specially engineered to protect workers from hazardous UV and blue light radiation generated during welding operations. These strips create a safe, enclosed area while allowing visibility, so workers can monitor activity without compromising protection. They are especially useful for separating welding zones from nearby work areas, helping improve safety while keeping production spaces organized. Designed to meet international safety standards, such as ISO 25980, Screenflex welding strips are perfect for use in manufacturing plants, automotive workshops, and metal fabrication facilities. For more information about this safety solution and our other PVC products, visit us at extruflex.com.